I always dreamed about playing a guitar, but I had no guitar. Once upon a time, I got a document folder, commonly looking with a ton of things to learn for school. Another boring weeks of reading stuff you don't really need in your life. But anyway, it was my main quest in exchange for a ton of experience and gold. I looked at it. It was laying on a table, smiling to me, looking very innocent. I was about to open it when my middle finger accidentally pulled a string. It reminded me about all the sad feelings, dreams, and how much I like the sound of the guitar, and the only way I can play it is by using plugins. Damn it. So I started to understand how to position my fingers to get a certain note. Then I was pretty sure that it wasn't the usual document folder. It was the kind of guitar. Anyway, very excited, I started playing songs very close to my heart. Then I took it to my bedroom and recorded it to sample that later. And indeed, I put it into the sampler and started playing the melodies. Then I made the guitar chords, which sounds like playing a guitar, right? Isn't it? And after that, I made the whole song.